Okay guys, now it's time for the division workshop. So let's move on quickly. What is division? Okay, well we know these things, we've talked about them a lot in class. It means splitting, it means sharing equally, it means grouping. We know it is the inverse of multiplication, and we know that we need to know our times tables, okay? Because it's so important in these methods to know how to multiply. Another way we can look at division is like this. For example, if I have a fraction, 3/4, 3/4, this actually means 3 divided by 4, okay? So fractions equals division as well. So that's another thing to keep in mind. So how do we do it? We do it in two methods. We do method 1, which is grouping on a number line. So we have a calculation here, 109 divided by 12. So we're talking about the 12 times table. We're talking how many 12s go into 109. In 109, how many 12s is there? So how many 12s go into 109? So the way we do this method here, grouping, is using a number line. So how do we do it? We set out a number line using a ruler, and we look to get to our target number, which is 109, in jumps of 12. So we put 109 at this side of the number line, and at this side of the number line we put 0. And we are now going to jump along in 12s, and this is where we need to know our times tables, because we're going to count up. So we go 12, 24, 36, and let's put these in, let's label as we go along. 48, 60, 72. 84, 96, 108, and I am so very close to 109. So if I did another jump in 12, I would actually go past the 109, and I would be going to 120. But I don't want to do that. I just want to get to 109. So what's the difference between 108 and 109? The answer is 1, and this becomes our remainder. So we count how many jumps we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, remainder 1. 9, remainder 1. So let's recap. Number 1, what do you do in this method? You write the number sentence, because then you know that this is your target number. And that goes here. This number are your jumps. So you are jumping in 12 every time. Plus 12, plus 12, plus 12, and so on. So you need to know your times table. You set up the number line with 0 there, and you make those jumps. And then, at the end, you work out if there is a remainder. Here there was a remainder of 1. To get to my target number from 108, all I had to do was jump 1 more, remainder of 1. You then count the jumps, and state the remainder. 9 remainder 1.